guys, I'm sorry. This video won't be editing until tomorrow. But today will be awesome and everything else. We're gonna sing the song. You will know this, okay? I wish I could up the stars. I was so bored as Chloe. I have to dance to the music, but after that, I got to be stronger. I got to be longer. I got to be the circle the youngest. I'll come a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. I cool it down into the rake. I cool it down in semi place. I down to dance to the phone calls to the cat. I down in the break. I can't cool it. I cool it down on the window. I got in the break in another wall. Oh, so how to say I got the break up slowly. I said 2 words. Don't best my wife and daughters. You're cool with enough to say. I'm cool with it down when it's spread apart. You're cool with it down in the rainbow. When you call down the home in the rainbow. I keep on dancing until the rain is cool down in the place. I can break it down to each other. Rise for till the sun. When the flag stand there and I have tried nothing to go, you disappear. I'll keep on dancing in the rain till it ended. Faster than you know, I gotta see the pain. I got to break a sweat. I just need you to be here. I'm gonna dance until the rain falls. I'm gonna be right here, right. Don't let me move it. Gotta take a breath. I go down in the pool. Down in the pool. Going down and breaking. Going down. Going and going and so. Going and so and go. Going and so and go. Going and going and go. Going and going. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, no, I'm gonna run. Thank you, subscribers. Have a lovely night. Leave a like or something. My name is Emily. I am 15. My voice sounds weird on my new phone, but you guys will love my video. Sorry, this place is a little trashy, but you'll figure out something you will love, you will like, and you will dance until you stop. Woo! Thank you, subscribers. Have a wonderful day. Leave a comment.